This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable website images in the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To disable website images, that is a feature that comes in pretty handy. If your internet provider caps your download limit, you might want to disable website images. The way to do that, first thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see the permission section, and toward the bottom of the permission section, load images automatically. By default, this box should be checked. Images are enabled, but to disable website images, you want to uncheck that box. That is how to enable or disable website images on the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.